Welcome to Achievers Dental Academy. Today we are in with another series of videos, and I am happy and proud to be in company of Dr. Anshu Kumar. He's from MAIDS and he is in the recently concluded INS-ET November 2022 exam. He's secured 7th rank and he is certainly going to be getting one of the seats in the upcoming counseling. So congratulations Anshu for getting the fantastic rank, and the top 10 rank is always a player, especially if you know you're going to get a seat in the top 10 names में तो कभी भी sure भी नहीं होता 10 में आने के बाद भी मिलेगी नहीं मिलेगी. So a big congratulations to you. And how's the experience like coming into the elite club?
Good evening, everyone. My name is Dr. Anshu Kumar. I did my graduation from Maulana Azad Institute of Dental Sciences, Delhi, in 2020 August. I started my MDS preparation from internship. It was then that some of my seniors from my college, they told me about Ace Achievers and Neeraj sir. They were toppers in their time, and they referred me to the institute, and I joined I gave my first exam in November 2020, and my AIMS rank was around 1036, and a month later in December I gave my first NEET, and my rank was around 1236.
So a big jump from nearly 1200 rank to a top 10 rank. What made the difference after this time? What you prepared in this time? How you manage your time? Tell us a little more about your preparation.
I was not very satisfied with my rank that I got in NEET and AIMS. I definitely wanted to give my best. I could not give my best that time because just before NEET I got COVID, and for 1 or 2 weeks I was in isolation and all, so I could not perform well in NEET. But in next AIMS in May AIMS 2021 I got 117th rank, so that gave me a boost to prepare better. Then again I thought I'll be reappearing for AIMS. In November I reappeared in 2021 and I got 157th rank, and the NEET thereon was postponed. It was scheduled to be in December, but it was conducted in May. So between this I got junior residency in MAIDS only. I joined JRship in March of 2022, and the exams were in May. So I prepared whatever I could, but still I felt I could not give my whole output because of JRship postings were a little busy. So I gave my NEET this time in 2022 May, and I got 336th rank in NEET. And again in the May AIMS I got 736th rank in AIMS. So my rank from last November to this May AIMS downgraded, so I was a bit tensed कि अब तो नहीं होगा. So and again I was waiting for the counseling to take place for NEET because I was hopeful of getting a seat in my own college. So I wanted oral surgery in my college, but unfortunately after the seat matrix came out, there was no chances of me getting a seat.
Your rank has been fluctuating a lot, as you told right now. It's from 700 to 1000, from 1000 to 200. 300 something rank in NEET is not a bad rank, but again it went to 700 in AIMS. So what do you think, and suddenly you come into, after 4 or 5 months you come into top 10. What do you think made the difference? Yours has been a long journey. Can you talk about it a little bit?
Patience and perseverance has been the key, sir. My ranks kept fluctuating, sir, and I knew somewhere I had the knowledge, but I was not able to apply and gain most out of it. So every time something or the other cropped up, so I just kept on going in spite of my low ranks and all. I worked on my mistakes, on whatever mistakes I've been doing before. I just worked on them, and in the last attempt, in the last AIMS, I had very less time. So in the shortest time I had to do the maximum. So I tried not doing the same mistakes that I've been doing before. I started retrograde preparation. I did more of questions this time rather than studying theory much. So this was a mistake I think I was making before. I was doing more of theory and less of questions. So this time I practiced as many questions as I could.
Now my question to every student who is with us sitting here: how did Ace Achievers help you in your preparation?
Ace Achievers was very helpful, sir. You taught us the art of attempting a question, sir. While discussion sessions, sir, you personally used to discuss the questions with us, with the test questions with us, and he used to tell us whether we can leave the question, how to analyze the question, whether we can take a guess, and all those sorts of things. He told us how to attempt a question basically, so that helped a lot. So previous year questions and SR questions, which is very helpful for the AIMS examination, that was provided in the academy in the portal, and that helped a lot. And all the previous year question, be it AIMS, NEET, SR's papers, they were very they were updated papers we got in the portal, and I'm very thankful for that too. So
at this time, suddenly the AIMS people changed the software a little bit. It was not exactly the kind of software they give every time. So what challenges you think came when the change software came, and what do you think should we, how to approach that during the paper? Maybe the next time also the same software comes, you don't know.
right, so this time software was very awkward. In the previous AIMS, what happened, they usually showed the number of questions you have attempted, and with along with the number, the question that you have attempted, the question that you have marked for review and all. But this time they just gave an option for flagging the question. They did not show the number of questions that you have flagged. It was only after every time you had to go and click in the exam status section to get the number of questions that you have remaining and the number of you attempted. But that also, they would just show the number of questions you have attempted, not the ones that you have marked for review. So that was confusing this time, and also they have played around too much with the options this time. So that took very much that took time solving the question. So managing time was the key, I think, in this paper. And of course the software and the kind of software that the academy has is very similar to the ones that we gave in the examination. So that helped me a lot.
Anshu, finally your Thanksgiving. Whom all would you like to thank for your success? It's a big day, big thing you have achieved. It's a very big feat. And your guidance to the people who are still preparing, for the new aspirants, to your juniors from MAIDS and other people across the country, what would be your tips?
I'd like to thank the academy first, and I'd like to thank the Almighty Guru Maharaj, then my parents and my seniors. Some of my seniors helped me a lot during the preparation. I'd like to name a few. Giri sir from my college, he helped me a lot. And during the course of preparation, you need someone first of all, you need to have faith in yourself and others also to motivate you around. So for that, you need some good friends and some mentors. Sir was there, ma'am was there. I could talk to ma'am whenever I was there in doubt. And during the preparation, you'll be having very shortfalls also. You might not get good rank. It was same for me even. And to keep up the mental thing during those periods was the challenge. And right, so you need good people to motivate you. And just believe in yourself, just keep going, things will get good.
And yes, another key to success will be joining Ace Achievers Dental Academy, where a lot of good talent is polished to achieve the highest ranks. So till the time we keep on getting students like Anshu, we'll keep on producing top ranks. So thank you all for listening to me. Thank you all for listening to all of us here. From all of us, big goodbye and Jai Hind. Hi Anju, congratulations. This is your trophy, specially made for you.